A lot of modern JavaScript projects are making use of TypeScript for its type safety and all the tooling that comes with it. When developing a Supabase project with TypeScript, you can get type support by writing your own types manually. However, there is an easier way of doing this by using the Supabase CLI to generate your types from your database. We will make use of the gen types TypeScript command from the Supabase CLI. If you are using this on a local Supabase project, you will need to pass the -- local flag along with a directory/file name you want to output the types to. When using a hosted Supabase project, you will need to pass the --db-url flag along with your connection string information, followed by the directory/file name you want to output the types to. Now let's import our generated types into our project to use with the Supabase JS library. We'll add our imported type at the point of creating the client from the Supabase JS library. Now, in our from method, we should get type reference to the tables in our database. Our data object should be fully typed, and we should get a type hint when we try to type out a property for this data object. One thing to note is, the types won't automatically stay in sync with your database. You will need to generate types after any table or column changes you make to your database. And that is how you create types using the Supabase CLI. Head over to supabase.com to learn more about the CLI and all that Supabase does.